Hey guys, so the slime did not work. The slime did not work, and it was practically just gluey, weird feeling stuff. We put too much foam, I think, in it. And so the slime did not work, and if you don't know what slime I'm talking about, you could go see part 1 slime. So, yeah, the slime did not work. And since I didn't say this during the thing, it's because the phone ran out. So, yeah, this line did not work, and that's all. Bye.